We'll guide you through how to set up your Stripe account quickly and easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website using your computer. Once you're there, click on the Start Now button, which you'll find on the homepage. You'll be taken to a sign-up page where you need to enter your email address, full name, and create a secure password. Make sure to choose a password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols for extra security. After completing these fields, click on Create Account. Stripe will send a verification email to the address you provided, so head over to your email inbox and look for the email from Stripe. Click on the verification link inside the email to confirm your account. Next, you'll be asked to provide some details about your business. Enter your business name, address, and phone number. It's important to be accurate with this information as it will be used for your financial transactions. You'll also need to select the type of business you have from the drop-down menu. Once done, click Continue to proceed. Now, it's time to set up your bank account details. This is crucial because Stripe needs to know where to deposit your funds. Enter your bank's routing number and your account number, then click Submit. Stripe may perform a small test deposit to verify your bank details, so keep an eye on your bank account for any new transactions. Finally, you'll need to enable two-factor authentication for added security. You can do this by downloading an authentication app like Google Authenticator on your smartphone. Scan the QR code provided by Stripe and enter the code from the app back on the Stripe website. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. And that's it. Your Stripe account is now set up and ready to use. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.